day all, welcome back to Ital Kitchen. Thank you so much for joining me here today. For this video I wish to share with you 3 Jamaican food types that you have probably never seen in its pod. The first one is the nutmeg. Look at that beautiful velvety red coating found in this gourd type of pod. It's so glistening. So nutmeg is a traditional spice that we can have with porridge or with peanut punch or certain other dessert or even some of our savory dishes without this food. It's a very popular spice, but many of us, like myself, have never seen it in a pod before. So I just wish to share it with you all. For the second one, my lovely friends, this is another island favorite. It is the koala nut, or more popularly known as bisi. So bisi is another island favorite used to make teas. I just know it as making tea for when you're upset, when your body feel like you need more oomph, I guess. I don't know. We just always have some bisi somewhere. I don't know exactly what it is for, but maybe just have everything. I don't know. But when this fruit is dried, it is grated and stored, and then you put the grated bits of it in a container and you make a tea with it. This is my first time seeing it in its pod, so yeah, just sharing it as well with you. So the last one is my favorite, and it is the originator of all chocolate products, and it is the cocoa bean. The pod that you have a lot of the cocoa seeds in to make the chocolate. Right? Did I say chocolate? Yes, I said chocolate. Chocolate is made from this fruit. I'm going to cut into it. So when we let the seeds dry, and it is from the seeds that the chocolate is actually made. So there's some process that goes into it. So the seed has to be dried and maybe parched. It on Ital Kitchen today. You got to see chocolate, the fruit. This is the cocoa bean pod, right? Chocolate is made from this, and you got to see bisi or koala nut and how it is grown. I didn't know this is how it's grown. And they also get to see nutmeg, this wonderful traditional popular spice of Jamaica. This is how it is grown, and that is it. So with that, I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and blessed love to you. As always, eat well, walk good.